Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to unlock the Megalodon in Hungry Shark World. So, let's dive in. First things first, the main way to unlock Megalodon is through progression. Just like most sharks in Hungry Shark World, you unlock it by eating enough with the sharks before it. And as you progress, each shark unlocks the next one in line and eventually, Megalodon becomes available. Now, once you unlock Megalodon through normal progression, you can buy it using coins, and it costs around 250,000 coins. This is the free-to-play route. But it does take time since you'll need to grind and eat to unlock it naturally. Now, if you want Megalodon immediately, there is a shortcut. You can buy it directly for 500 gems using the Get Now option. This lets you skip the progression entirely, but it does require a lot of gems. If you don't want to spend real money, you can earn gems for free, but it's very slow. For example, watching ads only gives you a limited amount per day. So, to sum it up, the free method is through progression, progress through sharks, then buy Megalodon for 250,000 coins. The faster method, rather, is to buy Megalodon instantly for 500 gems. And that's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!